my channel, it's Eva, and for the new ones, you can now hit the subscribe button below. I'm so excited because in today's video I have collaborated with this major high-end jewelry brand, LUISA. I'm gonna do unboxing for you guys with jewelry I have picked from their website, and stay tuned until the end of the video because there's a big surprise for you. So before I start unboxing, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about LUISA. When I first saw their jewelry, I totally fell in love. They are so classy and sophisticated and powerful at the same time. Totally my style. Another major thing is that the designers have worked before in major fashion brands like Ralph Lauren, Alexander Wang, Tory Burch, Kenzo. How amazing is that? So when you get a pair of jewelry from them, you definitely get a designer piece. So that's why I love to invest a few more dollars on something that is very unique, very good quality, that's gonna last, and that I can wear year after year with every outfit from day to night. Are you ready to see what's in the little cutie box? Let's open it up. There you go. This is the pouch where the jewelry is in. It's super soft and it has the logo on it and the strings. So I picked two pair of earrings because I love earrings so much, and the first piece of jewelry is this pair of hoops. I love how elegant they are. They have this crystal on the top. They are called Bella hoops, and Bella is the symbol of grace and ambition. So I'm gonna put it on for you guys. Let's see how it looks. It's dipped in 14K gold, and wow, they are so radiant and sophisticated at the same time. So you can wear them with tons of outfits, like a nice t-shirt or a dress, or it's super cool for the beach. You can wear it with your swimwear. It adds this elegance and it's minimal at the same time, which I really love. It's so charming. It's the alternative of the classic hoops, and they look so nice with a nice tan. So yeah, what do you think, guys? Leave your comments below. So cool. All the jewelry are handcraft. They come in very few quantities, so they are unique. Moving on to the next piece of jewelry, I picked these clear cut crystals. Look how cool they are. They are so delicate. I'm gonna put them on, and they can polish any kind of outfit. I'm gonna show you 3 ways that you can wear them. The first one is like a wing, so powerful but so graceful at the same time. So you can wear it like this. So in fashion at the same time. Let me put the other one as well on. They definitely add pure elegance to any outfit. So you can wear it like that as a wing. So pretty. They give these modern princess vibes. So I also think that they would look amazing at a wedding with a nice dress. They are so perfect. Or even with a plain white t-shirt. Another way to wear them, you can wear them down like that, or you can wear it, or you can change it and wear it from the other side. So this side, it's like half moon. This is a pair of earrings that you can wear all day long. Really love them. What do you think? Leave all your comments below. I would love to hear what you think about these pair of earrings. So another thing about this brand is that the jewelry comes in very small quantities because they want to keep the uniqueness of the jewelry. Another major thing is that you get a little surprise with every purchase. So I got this super cool reusable bag with the logo here, which you can carry around in the city or at the beach. I personally use it to carry magazines when I travel. Super cute. I'm gonna leave the links below so you can log on the website and sign up free. You can get free membership. I will leave my code below so you can get $15 off your first purchase. You can check out the bracelets, the rings, the necklaces. They have such an amazing collection, and everything is so sophisticated, classy, and minimal, totally my style. Other benefits that you can get is free shipping if you're based in US. You also get 1 year warranty with your purchase. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please leave all your comments below, and until I see you next time.